Now that we know that Elvis has 1,388 marbles, we can find out how many Presley has. As you remember, the MPC told us Presley has 799 fewer than Elvis. And fewer is a key word there because it's going to tell us what math operation we're going to use. Fewer is going to relate to addition, subtraction, multiplying, or dividing. Take a guess. If you said subtraction, you'd be correct. So subtraction, as we learned in previous videos, is done with base 10 columns. So let's set up our base 10 columns. Here's our ones column. Here's our tens column. Here's our hundreds column. And here is our thousands column. Now we can build our number. I'm going to do a step back over here, so there's going to be space between the sign and the block because the minusing may need that space. It may not, but it might. So 1,000, 100, 200, 300, and the tens we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and in the ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1,388. Go build the start of your problem by building the big number and labeling your base 10 columns. Pause the video and come back for subtracting the 1 columns. Welcome back. Now we're going to subtract the ones column. So 799, there is a 9 in the ones column. So we need to minus 9 out of the ones column. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's impossible because there's simply not enough blocks in the ones column to subtract 9. How are we going to solve this problem? Why, yes, regrouping from the tens place. So I am going to take one of the tens blocks and trade it in for 10 one blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, the 10 gold and the 8 diamond equal a total of 18. We now have 18 blocks in our ones column. So now can we subtract 9? Of course we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And break the blocks behind the glass. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now, to solve the tens column, we have 90 in it, so we're going to need to subtract 9 blocks. But once again, we only have 7. It's impossible. We're going to need to regroup from the hundreds place. So I'm going to take one of the 100 blocks and trade it in for 10 blocks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we can subtract 9. So take the glass and subtract 9. And now we have 17 minus 9. And then we're going to break the glass behind it all. And we have 8 left over. So whatever this problem is, it's going to end with a 98. Now take care of your tens column, pause the video, and come back and subtract from this, and come back to subtract from the hundreds column. Okay, in the hundreds column, we're going to need to minus 700 from 200. Why, that's impossible again, so we're going to need to regroup. We're going to take one of the blocks from the thousands column, make a nice little 0 marker, and regroup it with 10 100 blocks. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. As you see here, the hundreds column is now 12 blocks high, so we can minus out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Break the blocks behind the glass, and here is your answer. Mr. Presley has 589 marbles. So I'm going to make a sign. Presley has 589 marbles.